Hi everyone, I'm Snehal and welcome back to my channel. So if you have watched all of my videos, I think 2 videos back I made a video in which I mentioned that you need to take a break. So in this video, I'm gonna share you few of the tips that is actually very underrated, and it's an amazing therapy whenever you are feeling down or you don't know what to do, and you know you want something that is very cheap, which is not like very expensive, where people invest a lot of money. Because I'm not gonna say that it's a waste of money, because working on yourself and something that makes you happy, and that is also like self-love. So if it requires money, so I don't think so that there is any issues with that, and it's completely up to them, so I'm nobody to judge. But that doesn't mean that there is nothing for you. Okay, there are tons and tons of things through which you can make yourself happy, you can make yourself pampered, and at the same time you will feel happy as well. Okay, and it would work as a therapy for you. So yeah, let's not wait and let's just get started. Okay, so first thing first, declutter your old stuff. Okay, this is a very, very, very underrated thing. Like, I think a lot of people are not aware about it, that decluttering your old stuff actually is a therapy. Okay, when you want to achieve something in your life, when you want to move forward, you have to leave behind your past. I know there are things that is memorable for us, it holds a lot of memories, but those memories doesn't make sense if it hurts you. And if you hold on things, it means that you are attached to it. And detachment, when you are working on yourself and in self development journey, detachment is the biggest thing which you have to learn. If you are not able to detach yourself from people, from relations, from your old stuff, or from things that you want in your life, then you would not be able to work on yourself. Because the biggest mantra of self development is you should be on the pedestal and nothing else. Not the person, not the things, not money, nothing. You should be on the pedestal. You should be on the top. And more than that, there is nothing that is important. Okay? So just leave those things that is taking storage in your cupboard or anywhere. See, I was for a very long time, I used to keep all my old stuff cluttered in my cupboard, thinking that, oh, it holds a lot of memories and I can't give this to anyone. And I love my clothes. Okay, I love my clothes. But now if you will see, I have, I don't know how many of clothes I have just decluttered all from my cupboard. And I have a completely a big carton in which I have kept all my old clothes, because I know that I'm not going to wear it. Okay, same thing with you. And also, if you have heard this thing कि पुरानी चीजें जाएंगी तभी तो नई चीजें आएंगी, राइट? दैट इज ऑल्सो हैपन्स इन आर पर्सनल लाइफ. ठीक है, ये चीज एक तरीके से आपके लिए थेरेपी है. आप इस चीज से ये सीख रहे हो कि अगर मैं अपने पास्ट को छोड़ूंगा और अपनी पुरानी आदतों को छोड़ूंगा, then I would be able to make space for my upcoming future, for my upcoming life, a new version of me. वो तब तक नहीं बन पाएगा जब तक आपका पुराना वर्जन वहीं पे है. वो सारी चीजें जो आपकी पुरानी हैं, that is of your old version. That is not the new version of your. That doesn't mean that I'm saying that you should not love your old version. I am so proud of my old version, and you should be too. But it's time to move on. Whether it's your old stuff or whether it's you, it's time to move on. And decluttering will help you to learn this. So it's kind of therapy. Now, point number 2, self care. Okay, self care मीन्स कि अपने आप को पैम्पर करना, लाइक पैम्पर योर सेल्फ, लाइक cleaning your hair or pedicure, manicure, facial, anything, okay, anything in which you are caring yourself, you are caring your body, that is self care, okay. And that doesn't mean कि आपको इतना पैसा खर्च करने की जरूरत है. See, I like to do those things because it's my preference, right? But if you are not interested, it's completely fine. ये ऐसा कोई rule नहीं है that self care में you have to do waxing, you have to do like facial, massage, spa, pedicure, manicure. No, anything can be self care. Self care can be like filing your nails, right? That is also self care. Cleaning your, like washing your hair, right? Oiling your hair. ठीक है, आप किसी को भी बोल सकते हो, अपनी मम्मी को बोल सकते हो कि थोड़ा मसाज कर दो. That is also self care, right? Nail paint, painting your nails, that is also like self care. Cutting your hair, that is also self care. When you do these things for yourself, why it is a therapy? Because it makes you feel good. Just trust me. Acha, I don't know if it is with you or not, but jab bhi, whenever I wash my hair, I feel so light, I feel so happy, and it makes me feel so positive whenever I see myself in the mirror, so clean and chic. And I think it's with everyone. Like, who wants to be lazy and dirty? I don't think so. And it's not hygienic, but at the same time, it means that you don't care about yourself and you don't care about your body, right? You should be privileged that you have such an amazing body with you, and you should take care of it. कि सोने से पहले जब आप नहाते हो ना, तो बहुत like it feels that all the negativity, whatever you have been going through the whole day, it all has been washed off, and you will definitely fall asleep really easily, because it removes all the tiredness, it removes all the negativity, and you feel so good and light, right? So that's why these small little things, this is also self care, okay. So do these things, this is also therapy, okay. Now, point number 3, eating good food. I have been heard from from a lot of people that, oh, we should eat healthy foods, we should eat dry fruits, a lot of fruits, green vegetables and all. And as a food lover, like I love food a lot, and I want food from outside. मुझे बाहर का खाना बहुत पसंद है. But I have seen the moment I switched those junk food to घर का खाना, to home cooked food and fruits and vegetables and everything, like including fruits, dry fruits, these kind of things in my diet routine, it has made me feel really good because it balances your hormones. So whenever your hormones is balanced, like internally, when everything is internally good, वो बाहर भी दिखता है, right? And you will feel good. But जब आप बहुत सारा जंक खाते हो, so it makes you feel lethargic, it makes you feel bloated, it makes you feel lazy, right? एंड इसके वजह से ही हमारा हार्मोन्स इम्बैलेंस होते हैं, और जब अंदर कुछ अच्छा नहीं होता तो ऑब्वियसली बाहर भी कुछ अच्छा नहीं होगा, राइट? यू विल ऑलवेज फील स्लीपी, यू विल ऑलवेज फील कि कुछ है ही नहीं करने के लिए, राइट? सो दैट्स वाई इट्स रियली इम्पॉर्टेंट to eat good food. Even though if I order, I make sure कि मैं ज़्यादा healthy foods जिसमें ज़्यादा vegetables हो, I order those kind of foods like Korean foods and all, because Korean foods mostly have like a lot of vegetables in them. So मैं mostly try करती हूँ कि मैं वैसी चीज़ें order करूँ ताकि मैं ज़्यादा junk और unhealthy ना खाऊँ, okay? So try that and trust me, it will literally affect your mental health. Point number 4, dress up. Okay, put that damn dress that is in your cupboard. Okay, whenever, trust me, whenever you are feeling low, you don't know what to do, just put that dress on which you have kept in your cupboard from a very long time कि कोई अच्छा टाइम आएगा, आई एम गोइंग टू वेयर दिस ऑन अ स्पेशल ओकेजन. वो टाइम कभी नहीं आएगा. डोंट वेट फॉर स्पेशल ओकेजन. You living on this earth is an occasion itself. Okay, so don't wait for a special occasion to come so that you can wear that dress. No, just wear that dress. Put the makeup on if you want to do makeup. If you like makeup, if you don't like makeup, it's completely up to you. That is okay. But just put on that dress, look cute. If you want to wear perfume, and just go out, take yourself on the dinner date. Meet your friend, like take your friend on a date, pamper yourself, buy yourself flowers, do these things, and trust me, it will make you happy. Trust me, just being on the bed will not change anything. Point number 5, sometimes what is happens, if you are someone who is constantly connecting with psychiatrists and all, sometimes what it happens that it's really hard to connect with them. Sometimes they don't have slots available, so you have to wait, and at that time you eagerly want to talk to them because there are a lot of things that is going on in your mind and you don't know how to deal with it. So in that case, what you're gonna do? Also, at the same time, as I mentioned earlier as well, that we are our biggest critics, right? And we can actually give a lot of advices. Like, if I can give advices to other people, then how I can not give advices to myself, right? I can if I want to. I'm not sure what had happened, but something had happened, and that was the time which clicked me and which made me realize that I can do it. And because I just recorded myself, I recorded a podcast of myself and I listened to it, as there was another person, a third person who is talking to me, and I felt so good. And I was like, if I could feel so good listening to myself, then how much I'm gonna help other people as well who is actually going through a lot in their life. So I was like, yeah, it really works. So that is what I'm saying. And when initially, and after a few months, when the same thing happened with me and I was not able to connect with my psychiatrist, I did the same thing and it again worked out. So just what you have to do, open your camera. If you want to record your voice, you can record your voice or you can record your video. That would be best. And then whatever you are going through right now, just let it out, record it, and then give answer to it, and record that too, and then listen to that. Listen to the advices as some other person, a third person is talking to you, and it will literally work as someone like a psychiatrist or some advisor or someone is talking to you literally. Just trust me. Just think that it's not you. Like if I'm talking about myself, I would not think that it's Snehal. Okay? I would think that it is my friend who is going through this. And if my friend is going through this, then how I'm gonna give her advice? What my input would be? What I would say at that place? This is what you also have to think. You have to think that that person is not me. It's my friend or it's someone else whom I'm giving advices to. Okay? And trust me, it's gonna work. Okay? So yeah, that's it for today's video. I hope you're gonna like it. There are a few other things that I will talk in future. But yeah, you can like this video, you can subscribe to my channel, you can follow me on Instagram. Link is in the description box. Also, all the details, सारी details आ चुकी होंगी, you know that. Okay, so yeah, I'll meet you in my next video. Bye bye.